your name?
My name is Ultraman.
Ultraman. Is that your favorite cartoon character? Ultraman? Superhero. You like Ultraman, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so your name is Ultraman. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
9 years old. Nice. Okay, how are you today?
I'm 5 heavy.
Fine. Are you hungry? Yes?
Yes.
What food do you like to eat?
I like fish.
Fish. I like fish too. Do you like vegetables?
Yes.
Yeah? You eat vegetables? Yes? Good. So what about fruits? Do you eat fruits too? Do you eat fruits?
Yeah.
What fruit do you eat?
Watermelon.
Yeah, very good. I like the taste of the watermelon. Alright, so Ultraman, today is the speaking test. Okay? I want you to sit nicely, put your hands on the table, and speak loudly, okay?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Here, can you tell me which place is this? What part of the house is this? Is this a kitchen? It's a living room, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what can you see in the living room? What's this?
This is a chair.
And where is the chair?
The chair is next to the rug.
Next to the rug, yes. Where is the rug?
The rug is between the baby and the chair.
Good, nice. Okay, here, let's move on. Where is the window?
The window is between the lamp and the picture.
Great. What's the color of the crib? Look at the baby. The baby is in the crib. What is the color of the crib?
It's pink.
Pink. And how many cars do you see, or trucks do you see?
I see 2 cars.
Cars or 2 trucks, right?
Yes.
What's the color? Or what are the colors?
They are blue and red.
Good. Where is the TV?
The TV is
Behind, in front, where?
is next to the truck.
Track. Where is the bookshelf?
The bookshelf is behind the truck.
Behind the truck. See? And where are the children? The boy and the girl, where are they?
They are
Sitting.
sitting the sofa.
Where? On, in, sitting on the.
On the sofa.
Can you say? The children are.
Children are sitting on the sofa.
What are they doing?
They are playing toys.
Very good. What's this?
This is a table.
Table. Where is the table?
The table is under the toys
Okay. And in front of the.
and in front of the sofa.
Good. Alright, so I think we're finished. Let's move on to the second part. Can you tell me what is it?
This is a rubber.
Rubber. Next.
This is a balloon.
Balloon. Say it again.
Balloon.
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 Next.
This is a radio.
Radio.
This is an egg.
An egg.
They are grapes.
Grapes. One more time. Grapes.
Grapes.
Good. Nice pronunciation. Next. What are they?
They are sunglasses.
Sunglasses. Correct.
This is an elephant.
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 Next.
This is basketball.
Basketball. Now give me 4 of the pictures. Come on. Faster. Give me 4. Give me 4. 1. And what is this next? the second part. Here are the 4 pictures. Put the basketball under the baby. Radio on the desk or table. Radio on the table. Balloon next to the TV. Okay. Eyeglasses or sunglasses between the picture and the lamp. Now, where is the balloon?
Balloon is next to the TV.
I can say it again. Next.
Next.
Okay. Next, where are the eyeglasses?
Sunglasses
The sunglasses are
between the picture and the lamp.
okay.
The radio is on the table. The basketball is under the baby.
Boom. Okay, you did well, Ultraman. Say goodbye to teacher.
With my teacher.
Goodbye, Ultraman. See you again.